today we will be checking some bug fix on the Clodify system. And the bug was that no data was substituted in the login inputs, like here. I will check now on the staging, like in some different browsers. Okay, so this is the first one. It is working. Okay, then another one. Okay, let's check maybe with another one. Okay, so it's working. Oh, okay, it is already here. Okay, so this is highlighted, like you see that here we can see that it was like highlighted, but there was no data. But now it is working as expected, so we can close this task. Bug report.